gas surrounding the welding arc from any external drafts. Let's see the first welding pass. On receiving the data from the HDC control unit, each welding head, moving downwards, carries out the welding run on the semicircumference. The operator, by means of a remote control, has only to check the parameters and the position of the torch on the center of the bevel. PWT system is equipped with automatic stick-out control and data logging. When the head has moved to 180 degrees, it stops and returns to its starting point, both automatically or manually. Then it is ready to be programmed for the following run, or to be disconnected from the guide band in order to move on with the pay welder to the next weld. Only after the first run has been completed and the internal clamp removed is it possible to proceed to the following path.